Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Shiba Inu from Binance to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your SHIB tokens for better opportunities or portfolio diversification, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks like fees and market volatility, so proceed with caution. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and Kucoin, and that you have some SHIB in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, then select Withdraw. This is where the magic begins. Next, search for Shiba Inu, SHIB, in the asset list and select it. You'll need to enter your Kucoin wallet address. Double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. If you haven't already, go to Kucoin, log in, and find your deposit address for SHIB under the Assets or Wallet tab. Copy that address carefully. Back on Binance, paste the address into the withdrawal form, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and review the network fees. In 2025, expect possible updates to blockchain networks like Ethereum or whatever SHIB is using, so choose the right network to match Kucoin's requirements. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or app. Enter it to proceed. Now, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Kucoin and check your wallet. Your SHIB should appear shortly. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw SHIB from Binance to Kucoin in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.